Hello everyone, this is my Easy Science channel. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.
Properties of elements in groups and periods. Second one, atomic radius. Definition of atomic radius: the distance between nucleus and outermost orbital is called atomic radius. Covalent radius: the half of the distance between two atoms participated covalent chemical bond is called covalent radius. Metallic radii. Atomic radii of metals are called metallic radii. Atomic radius is measured in picometer units. 1 picometer is equal to 10 to the power of minus 12 meters. Atomic radii in groups. The number of shells in a group top to bottom increases. The distance between the nucleus and the outer shell of the atom increases. We can see the picture. Atomic shells are increases in group top to bottom. Atomic radius increase from top to bottom in a group of the periodic table. Please see examples are given end of this video. Atomic radius in periods. The electrons enter the same main shell in a period. The nuclear charge increases with atomic number. Hence, the nuclear attraction on the outer shell electrons increases, so size of the atom decreases. Atomic radius of elements decreases across the period from left to right. For example, second period from left to right, lithium to fluorine, atomic radius decreases. Example 1. Sodium atom, sodium cation. Which one is the shorter in size? Electron configurations are we can see in that picture. Sodium atom contains 11 protons and 11 electrons. Sodium cation has 11 protons but only 10 electrons. The nucleus of sodium cation attracts outer shell electrons with strong nuclear force. Sodium atom have 3 shells and sodium cation have 2 shells. Sodium cation has a shorter atomic radius than sodium atom. Second example, sulfur anion, chlorine anion, which one is larger in size? We can see the electron configurations of sulfur anion and chlorine anion. Sulfur anion contains 16 protons and 18 electrons. Chlorine anion contains 17 protons and 18 electrons. Sulfur anion has low nuclear charge, so it contains larger atomic radius. Chlorine anion high nuclear charge, so it contains shorter atomic radius. So sulfur anion has larger atomic radius than chlorine anion. Please like, share and subscribe.